Okay, here's yet another way to, in our hypothetical game here, where we want to do sort of brute force action here, we have our player movement north. They press the north button, they move north. And say we have a south button. Rename that south. And I'm not going to do all the directions, but I'll just do north and south. And you'll see player user input is already set as we showed in class. So north is going to be 0, south is going to be 1. Okay. So if I move this, let's see, now that's the second button. It's named south, but it still has north as a text, so we'll make that south. Whoops, south. Okay, north and south. We'll go to the script, which I have in the background there, and we're going to say if direction, or I'll do the switch statement. We're going to say switch direction, case 0, north, case 1, south. Each one, we know we need a break. And we need a break here. And we're going to start off, we want to maintain the user's position. So as part of our class definition here, we have a vector2, which is player pause. And we're going to start off the player pause as new vector2 0 0. Okay, so the player starts off in the middle of the world 0 0. We're also going to say that we're not going to do this in sort of an object-oriented way. We're going to say the world is 20 wide or something like that. So we're going to say, okay, we come in here, we say vector2 temp pause equals player pause. All right. Now, if they were allowed to do north, they can say temp pause dot y. So north is up, plus plus. And the next one we will say temp pause y minus minus. Okay, so that would be allowing the user to move up or the user to move down. Then we're going to print out direction. So more interestingly, we'll print out temp pause y. So that would show us what that is. Now we want to make sure we want to set some limits on the world. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to say temp pause dot y, and I'm going to say equals mathf, floating point math dot clamp. And you'll see it take a value, a minimum, and a maximum. Clamp temp pause dot y, comma, negative 20, 20. Right? They should both be floats. Let me put f here. And what that's going to do is it's going to say, oh, okay, clamp the value in between there. So whatever happened here, I'm going to go ahead and clamp it. Then I'm going to do that assignment. I'm going to say player pause equals temp pause. So this is yet another way of making sure that the player's position is limited to be whatever the size of my play field is. So here I'm allowing it to be between negative 20 and positive 20. I could copy that for x if I know my world is square, right? And I'll even go so far as to copy this and have a value for 2 and a value for 3. And that's going to be what? West. And this is going to be east.
I don't have buttons for those yet, but they would be, oh, let's see, west would be x minus minus, and this would be x plus plus. Okay, that would do that.